Hello, welcome back. Have you ever been told something that you believed completely, only to realize later that there's more to it than meets the eye? Yao is one of these. I bet you first learned it means to want, as in, I want a cup of latte, 我要一杯拿铁, or I want a bag, 我要一个袋子. Such a useful and basic verb in any language. You've learned it, excellent. But then someone comes along and complicates things by saying something like 看起来要下雨了. Looks like it's going to rain. So 要 does mean to want, except when it doesn't. To help you remember them, instead of giving you a list of alternate uses, here's a challenge. In the following 3 clips, 要 has the same meaning. So, can you work it out? I promise, if you try this, you'll learn 要 much better than simply having a list of rules.
Coldplay 今年要来台湾了，你想去看吗？快点快点，电影要开始了。你明天要来我的派对吗？
我没有要去，我明天要上班。
要 in these clips is used as going to talk about plans or something that's going to happen. It often includes a time word. Let's continue our challenge by looking at another function of 要. Again, in the following 3 clips, 要 has the same meaning. Can you work it out?
明天是我的生日，不要忘记哦。不要玩手机了。嘿，不要喝那个水。
要 in these clips is used to give negative command, as in, don't do it. And like English, we usually omit the subject when giving commands. Have you noticed that we say 不要 instead of 不要? It's the tone change rules every learner must know. Whenever 不 is followed by a 4th tone, it changes to the 2nd tone. Other examples include 不是 or 不错. Another word you can use to give negative command is 别 instead of 不要. And don't worry about the difference. Personally, I use them interchangeably. For example, I say 不要担心 or 别担心. Now back to our challenge with 3 more clips where 要 has the same meaning. Can you work it out?
啊，我要领钱了。你的手机要充电了。在台湾要喝煮过的水。
要 in these clips is used as need to talk about things you have to do. You might have learned 需要 as another way of saying need to. However, as I've mentioned on this channel before, the principle you need to know about Chinese is that the shorter the better. If you find this video useful, please help us by liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thanks for watching.